In randomized experiments, you go out and gather the data yourself. In natural experiments, the data is already out there in the world, just waiting to be discovered. So the problem is, how do you find it? Well, when people do find natural experiments, usually they say they are exploiting or leveraging a situation to get a natural experiment. And all that means is that they found something. They found a situation out there in the world where there actually was true randomization, or where there's as-if randomization, something they could credibly argue was as if it was randomly assigned. So how do you get there? How do you find these? Well, unfortunately, there's no easy answer. One thing is it helps if you read a lot of the literature that uses natural experiments, because there tend to be some situations that are more common than others, like charter school lotteries. So many people have done research on charter school lotteries, or situations like the Oregon healthcare experiment. That actually was similarly motivated from charter schools, where the state didn't have enough money to give Medicaid to everybody, so they had to randomly assign. The only difference there is that the state brought in the researchers before they did the random assignment and the experiment, whereas the charter schools, they usually just do the lottery without consulting any researchers, and then we just discover that this lottery had been done and do the analysis after the fact. So often, it's just going to come down to the fact that you notice some particular unique situation about some data set or some case in the world where there was true randomization or was as-if randomization, and then you go from there. So really, you just got to keep your eye out for these things if this is the kind of research you want to do.